What is up, good people? We are at the end of the week. Just finished teaching on the outskirts of Hanoi. About to head on home, navigate through all the kids. Goodbye! All the kids and all the motorbikes. Vietnam style. I love these small towns, you know, they're very active. Hello! Candy for teacher? Some of my students. Can get quite narrow in these little streets here, but you get used to it, eh? It's peak time now, so it's like 5 p.m. This week the students have been revising because next week they've got like tests, big tests for English speaking, and then in about another month and a half time it's going to be a long break time for them. They get 3 months off from June through to August. Look at all the markets going on right now. Watch out for all the little kids that are walking home, you know, and riding their bikes. It's got to be real careful around this area. There's like a primary school and another high school. Sometimes the Vietnamese drivers can be pretty crazy, especially these cars. The cars think like they own the whole road, even your own lane. They'll come in your lane and beat the horn, you know, like, even though it's your lane, they beat the horn for you to get out of your lane so they can come in your lane. It's like, get lost. What the hell are you doing? Anyway, I love coming out here. It's good to like get some of the nature vibes. I mean, look at the gardens out there. Oh, we just went past one of the school I'm working with now. They're in an old building, and we just passed the new building. They just finished making a whole new school out here. So the kids are gonna get like new classrooms and new things, because like, watch out for this guy, because like the old school I'm teaching at now, the projector's broken or the cable's broken, so I've got to like use chalk because they're using chalk, not whiteboard pens, so it's really old. But they built a new school here, so I'm looking forward to moving and teaching at that new school, which will be real cool, because I know the students will love it, you know. The old school, like the aircon's broken, or you know, there's no chalk, or like the lights are not working. Vietnam styles, man. But you get used to those vibes, you know. As long as you can teach the kids, that's the main thing, you know, and have fun while you're teaching. Anyway, it's Friday, so that's it, man. Thank goodness. Much as I love teaching, sometimes the kids can give you a little bit of a headache, you know. Sometimes you've got to be like the Incredible Hulk sometimes and Hulk up when they become really naughty. Sort of like Arnold Schwarzenegger when he like says that those 2 words, you know, when the kids drive him nuts, he goes, "Shut up!" Sometimes it can get like that, guys. I have a whistle. One of my teaching assistants gave me a whistle. He goes, "Use this." When I first started teaching here, I was going, "What the heck is this? What do I need a whistle for?" And he goes, "You'll need it." And he was right, man. When you're teaching like 50 kids in one classroom and they're all rowdy, you need that whistle. Anyway, we're heading back to the city. You can see the city out there in the distance. And I'll vlog some of the vibes back. back home. It's going to get busy peak time, so it's going to get quite congested. Let's pick up the pace a little. Let's go on a little shortcut. Instead of going on that bridge, we'll go on this little bridge. I usually give, like, if I see kids on a motorbike with the parents, I usually give them the advantage. So, you know, I give way to them. Come on, man, see what I mean? Look at these big cars with one person in it, taking up the most narrowest street in Hanoi. That is the most annoying thing, is when you get these idiots driving these big SUVs in a narrow street, and then sometimes they even have the cheek to, like, do a U-turn. I'm like, dude, why are you doing a U-turn in a narrow street? I mean, you see it all the time, man. It's like they get their license from, like, I don't know, out of the toilet or something like that. Coming up to a bit of a congested part of the of this area, because it's real narrow and there's like lots of cars that try and get through this area too. What the hell's happened here? Oh, he's going in the wrong way. You can get real narrow and congested in this area. There's also like railway lines up ahead, so the train comes past, they close the barrier down for like 5 to 10 minutes, man. This whole street gets packed, and it sucks because it gets congested all the way back. Really congested, you know. But you get used to the vibes here, you get used to the driving here, you know. But yeah, going back to what I was saying before, if I see like parents and they've got kids on the back of the motorbike, I always give them the advantage, or give way to them, because you know they're kids, man, and I know what it's like if parents are trying to take their kids around, especially peak time, you know, like times like this, it can get quite hectic, you know. To go across the road here and then make a left up ahead. Just got to dodge all the traffic coming down. Sneak through. So actually what you're seeing above here is a new metro. They're building a new metro in this area, which I think is going to be pretty cool when it's finished, and it'll take away a lot of the motorbikes that are been congested up on the roads here in Hanoi. about time. I really think they should look at building like overhead subway system or overhead railway system, maybe underground if they can. So yeah, it's the new metro system. I think the system will be up sometime 2021, maybe even 2022, I'm not quite sure. Come on, cars, stop clogging up the area, man. Sometimes these Vietnamese just stop anywhere. It's a lady, she's on her phone. Man, what an idiot. I hate that shiz, you know, when someone's on their phone and they've like backed up the whole of the traffic. It can be such a pain in the butt. You gotta have your wits about you too, because they drive like in all directions here, man. They'll drive in your lane at you. That's how weird it is here. So we've got to navigate all this traffic that's actually coming down. There's no giveaway. We just go right through. They just stop. We just go through like that. That's how it is here, man. You get used to the vibes like that. It's like crossing the road here, man. When I first came here, I was waiting on the crossing for like 20 minutes. I was going, how come they're not stopping? You don't stop, man. You just walk out and they dodge you. That's how it is here. So when you come to an intersection like how we just did there, they will dodge you. Those are the vibes. Back to paradise. I love it here in Vietnam though. The vibes are good. It's pretty good here, man. Anyway, I gotta think what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Maybe pizza. Or should I grab a banh mi? Banh mi from the bakery. Let's try and cross the road right here in front of this car. Like that. That's the vibes, man. Come to the bakery. Hello. It's the bakery, man. Grab a couple of banh mi, a couple of bread. He knows the deal. Thank you. Here we go. 2 long bread. There was like 50 cents for 2 big like banh mi bread. Anyway guys, we're gonna call that a stream. Thank you guys for checking out this vlog. Just giving you a little insight on how I get home, the traffic here, Hanoi, the vibes. Take care guys. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life. Peace.